Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making the volcano at home. So what you need is baking soda, red food dye, vinegar, any type is fine, and some water. Okay, so first you're going to take a spoonful of baking soda and put it in the bowl. Then you're going to take your water and pour it in to dissolve the baking soda better. And then, if you wanted, you can take your red food dye coloring and just put it in. And then, next, you take the vinegar. I'm gonna wait for it to dissolve. Shake it up. Okay, well, you take the vinegar and we're gonna pour it in. And hopefully an explosion will happen in 3, 2, 1. There. Okay, bye. That's how you make a volcano at home. Bye.